Welcome. Welcome to the live streaming. Late 10 minutes. Okay, so pretty important day as well. Thursday, we will be looking to see best trade possible in the market. I would like to see that everyone is present before we begin the full analysis. And let's see. First of all, let's get some music on. Drop. The usual. Something new. We'll bring something new later. Okay. It's cold here. Okay, so we see that quite a few instruments currently trending, including gold as well. We see that there was a very good trend on gold. We have seen there was a breakdown, and you can see there is a structure here. And with this structure, the market has broken to the upside, and we can expect now for deeper drop here in this market. I would like to see that everyone present so that I can begin the analysis full one. And also I would like to know, traders, what's your which instrument you are trading at the moment? What's your view on the market? We see that there was a pretty impressive breakdown on British pound US dollar. Come on. Okay. Let's first look at British pound US dollar. Looking at British pound US dollar, the reason I'm looking at British pound US dollar, we'll be also looking at gold and other pairs as well. We see that British pound US dollar is trending very nicely. Okay, and I would like to do the multi-time frame analysis first. You can see this is the monthly candle, and with this monthly candle, which is initially pretty strong bounce on the monthly time frame on British pound US dollar, and with this monthly bounce we see now deeper drop. Now this drop is, the question is that either it's a pullback or it's breaking below. There's a monthly close coming in just a couple of days, and I think that British pound US dollar dropping down for a deeper pullback. We might see later with the monthly close dropping further or bouncing back to the upside. And with that in mind, from the weekly, so what we can see that from the weekly perspective, a bit of working here. Just come on, this music, I didn't like it. Okay, so if we look at the weekly chart on this market from the weekly, okay guys, so we can see from the weekly perspective, previous week there is a long week bearish candle. Now when we see this kind of price action, what we can see on British pound US dollar from the weekly, this is the previous candle, and from this support we can see that British pound US dollar is breaking below, And with this break of that support on GBP USD, we will look for the market to drop. And I think that if you take the Fibonacci, let me see that here. Taking the Fibonacci from the starting of this move to the end of the move, we can see the market is approaching this 38.2% Fibonacci level. And this is where I think, British pound US dollar at least can expect it to drop to 61.8%, which is a very important level of support. And with that said, that could be a bounce pullback and then another potential for impulse. So this week, with all of this, that what I think that GBP USD may continue to drop in that direction. Do you think so, traders? Let me know in the live chat. And I see the likes is still almost 1/5 of the view. I would appreciate if you smash the like button, traders, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Let me know which one you are looking at as well. Thank you for joining the live session. Deepak, welcome. Late? I'm late. Salam, thank you very much. Travis, hello, hi, Grand Rising. Eva, welcome. Hello, coach. Gold analysis, yeah, thank you very much. And good news, as I mentioned before, first of all, for all of you guys, quite a few good news coming in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is also one of the fastest growing trading academy. So first, we see gold is coming down. Suddenly there is a breakdown. As expected, we are on a trade on gold and GBPUSD. Also discuss on that. So free A to Z trading course available on the description for all of you. Now this free A to Z trading course was part of our foundation course in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. That means that in the premium course. So this part of free A to Z trading course currently available for you to directly access from the description of this video. You can go to the description. It's on Vimeo so that I can protect the video from going somewhere. But you can, if you find it difficult to access, you can let us know. Slowly it will be integrated on the website outlet as well. So free A to Z trading course, it's this course was developed when we started the Forex Trading Wizard Academy quite a few years ago. So that course will give you a complete guide to start trading. There's everything there, how to calculate the pips, everything. If you are a complete beginner, that's an absolutely important lesson for you. If you are a complete advanced trader, also there is something there for you to start with that free A to Z trading course. In addition, also, as you know that the heart in this academy, the heart strategy that we use is the liquidity. So this concept of liquidity is fully expressed here in this academy. So we are updating everything very soon, and where you'll find in 3 layers of liquidity strategy. One is a complete video lesson from A to Z, which is already available, but it will be updated very soon. And the other layer will be on the liquidity candle formation. So basically, if you are a manual trader, then once you learn the strategy, you have the tool to use. And if you are an automated trader, also the strategy is fully automated currently. So everything in all format will be available, and membership will be open once fully integrated in the dashboard. Okay, so currently I think you can see on the screen there is a VIP signal option, but at the moment membership is closed because we are updating. If you are interested to be part of this updated the liquidity strategy as well as the whole lessons and the tools, then stay tuned. Once everything will be opened, will be announced. At the moment, stay tuned with this live session. Stick to the channel. We might give you a form to fill up later for waiting list. As soon as we will be launching it fully, it will blow out. Okay, so stay tuned for that. You'll see what's coming up. So make sure, guys, this is something will surprise you completely. And that's something that one strategy that I trade every single day with all the members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You know that this is a fully risk managed strategy that will be available, because something was not, outside that was not rebuilt because, some traders doesn't want to give their strategy, neither me, but now it is time to give away all of them. All right, so to help the community, guys, are you ready for it? Let me know in the live chat if you are ready for it. I want to see how many traders will be interested when it will be launched. Thank you very much for joining. Hello, coach. Welcome. Gold, what is your analysis? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Siraju, coach, we appreciate your inclusive teaching method. I am learning the reality of Forex market with all the ups and downs and how to manage the. Yeah, this is what it is like in the beginning. There's sometimes, things happen this way and that way, but the most important part here is to remain fully grounded and remain fully risk managed. Over time you'll see how it works. 5 minutes please. Good evening, welcome. How can participate in this? So to participate in this, stay tuned. We'll give a wait list option, will be available on the website very soon. I will give a link later. At the moment, just stay tuned for that. Wait for the launch on all of them, and then you can join. We'll be announcing. Gold is up and down. Thank you very much. Can you make me join your things for free? There's a free trading course available in the description of this video. Do you have UPI? Sanjay, welcome. Will be available everything very soon. Very interested, coach. Yes, Sanjay, welcome. Hi, coach. I'm ready. Thank you. Okay, so get ready for it. There will be very soon. It's first I need to prepare everything, the whole package for all of you, so that you can do it one by one and then go for it. So now let's look at what's happening with gold and British pound US dollar. So looking at British pound US dollar, now probably you guys have seen my analysis on British pound US dollar early today. Let me bring that up. So this one is with TradingView. I posted on the TradingView. If you guys are following me on TradingView, you should see that, or I have also posted that on the free Telegram channel. Join the free Telegram channel and Discord group. You can find link below this video for all the education. So this is the idea that I have shared in the free Telegram channel. Let me bring that up. So on British pound US dollar, not only idea, also I have opened the same trade, and also I have shared the same trade in the VIP Telegram channel for all the members. Okay, so here is what you can see. GBPUSD, we have seen there is a drop here to the support level. So let's quickly recap the trade, and we'll see why did I open the trade, and then also we will be looking for further opportunity as soon as you find that. So British pound US dollar, the reason I am short, and this is what I have also posted on the channel with 44 people stop loss, a bit wider stop loss, because the reason I have open and a bit of ambitious profit target, 4% on this. So what I think that, as I mentioned before, on the weekly, if you look at, there is a bearish price action possible on GBP USD. So therefore, if the market started to drop here, we could see it's breaking below 1.2778. So looking at the daily chart, you can see there is a doji. Previous day's candle is a doji where there was a liquidity, and also there's a liquidity in both sides, right? So if we look at the 4 hour here, okay, now this is where there is a, guys, this is what I was talking about, liquidity candle formation, right? And this is the strategy that that I'm trading currently, and this strategy in a complete replicable format will be available very soon, and membership will be open as soon as it's integrated on the website in the academy. It's already given to some of the members, but it's gonna be updated fully to integrate, to get access to everyone in the academy, so who will be joining at the moment. Let's see what's happening here on GBP USD. Now British pound US dollar, okay, so this is where a doji formation with a massive liquidity grab from this resistance line on British pound US dollar, and you can see there is a consolidation pattern, complete breakout, grab liquidity, drop down, and then pull back, started to drop again. So the price action on British pound US dollar is still highly bearish, what we can see, and with this bearish price action, expecting it to drop to this support level here. Okay, so this is where the weekly support that we discussed, I think that we might see, you can see my prediction on this one to drop to this level, because there is an order block and there is an imbalance here where there's a FVG, not this one, and here is this is where imbalance in the market, right? So this is a clean imbalance on British pound US dollar, and the trend, the way it is forming, for me, I think we might see the price to drop here. As I mentioned, in trading, it is all about probability, right? So I could be wrong at any point, so make sure that you do proper risk management, you do proper analysis before you take any trades, and that's the number one criteria to remain, what I said, that alive in trading. Now traders sometimes quit very soon, right? It's important that you learn the risk management, even when you are running any kind of strategy. Very important that you do the risk management, you learn the risk management is the key to be profitable as a trader. Okay, now British pound US dollar. Let's see the Forex factory calendar. Also, we'll be looking at gold and GBPJPY as well. We saw there was a bounce on GBPJPY. Now, Here is a calendar on, if we look at, which is coming up later today. We'll be covering that. Oh, no, not today. It's gone. Today's news. Thursday, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Come on. I'm getting confused. So it's Thursday, 25th of July, 10:30 p.m. dollar. Okay, so advanced GDP, unemployment claims. So all the USD pairs, including British pound, US dollar, gonna be very volatile. So here is, you can see this is a doji, big doji with a 20 EMA retest, and you can see the structure is nicely bearish, and it's breaking in that direction with a strong momentum. Okay, and with this doji, which is as I mentioned, which is a very strong liquidity candle. And if you're not sure about liquidity candle, as I mentioned, it's coming up very soon with full strategy applicable. Currently we have liquidity candle, and the tool will be available even in an automated system, as well as an indicator format, and also the full strategy, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, now here is what you can see on British pound US dollar. After this retest, we can see it's form a doji, expecting it to break further, and then to drop down to the support, which is very important support here. Okay, on British pound is low, waiting for the market to give us suitable entry. Let's see where it is going up, how far it is. So there is a 1 hour British pound US dollar, the candle closed to the 1 hour with a this one also. Oh, that's one also liquidity candle. So and because there is a news coming, this is a 1 hour candle, and with this 1 hour candle, okay, so with this the daily, price is approaching the daily 20 EM as well. Pretty strong drop. Okay, gold started to drop in that direction, so gold is pretty bearish. Now this is that, now we just have entered in the profit zone in our gold trade. Yeah, so where's my trade here? Okay, gold if you look at the 30 minutes price action, there was a breakout, which is basically a potentially fake out on gold. And what we can see here, there is a structure and break from that structure to the upside, immediate rejection. There is a news coming. Pretty big gap here. So gold, we can see there is a pretty strong bounce and then immediate rejection. Look at the weekly. Now weekly price action on gold is pretty strongly bearish now, because it rejected from the all-time high. It is not unusual to see that gold is breaking below any of these lows. So there is a for me, I think we might see stronger drop on gold now, depending on how this price action will be forming. So this is the 15 minutes. Very interesting price action on gold. And we look at British pound US dollar, Gbpusd. I see that gold is trend is nice, and as there's a dollar news coming, entry is pretty important to look at. So from the 5 minutes, if we look at, we can see a complete breakdown here, okay, without any stoppage in the middle. And if we identify this structure, okay, so then you can look to retest this and then to trend in that direction. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. We take the Fibonacci. So you already saw significant drop, and we may not see that pullback, which is what I'm expecting. And if we see enough pullback, we can look for potentially selling opportunity. It's a pretty bearish at the moment. We saw this is a break of resistance, and with this break of resistance, okay, so this is a break of resistance. We can see that this is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Pretty impressive resistance. Complete breakdown from that. Now we might see just complete breakdown as there is a news coming. To find an entry, I don't want to enter jumping on the trade, but we see the directional bias is to the downside. Want to see any kind of liquidity candle formation. Let's see if it is forming in any time frame. Then we will be jumping or without jumping. How do you want to enter? Thank you. Okay, so thank you for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support. And okay, just keep dropping. So this 1 hour green candle is a fake candle. Okay, so that 1 hour fake candle, we can see that break of resistance, and then the fake candle, complete breakdown. The only thing that we need a proper retest before we see it's breaking below. Which is very important to see in this market. You guys with me? And yeah, if you guys and girls smash the like button and take it to the 50, will be helpful. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Welcome. Hello, welcome. Thank you very much. Buy or sell. Everything is pointing downside. What could be the reason? Everything is pointing downside. What could be the reason? Maybe gravity. Yeah, that could be the gravity. Everything is pointing downside. So basically, dollar getting stronger. I think so. And we see that such as the Gbp USD and euro dollar, all of them trending to the downside. Okay. We'll wait for a pullback. And we need to see proper pullback. This is a big drop here. Let's place the Fibonacci again. And yeah, this is where it's approaching that. So we need proper pullback. And if we see this is a drop on the 5 minutes, a clean bearish drop, pullback. And then once we see rejection, we can look for potential trading opportunity in the market. I guess you guys are enjoying this live session. Thank you. Welcome. Vijay, good afternoon. Thank you very much for gold buy or sell during the news. That's an important question that I don't want to answer. I want to ask you guys and girls. Let me ask you a poll, and let me see how you traders are thinking. Let me just replicate that question: gold buy or sell during the news. Muindi asked this question. Gold, do you wanna buy or sell gold? Okay. Cast a vote, guys, to see. Welcome. Okay, here is long week. Good evening. Welcome. Thank you very much. Good evening. Thank you. All right. Here is pullback needed to see. Okay. Pretty strong bearish candle. You want to see that the market is going up for a pullback. Come on, send music. Okay. 1 minute. I'm dropping down to 1 minute to find precise information. Doesn't have to be, we don't need to enter in the 1 minute chart. What's this news? I really don't know where this is coming from. Some music very awkward. Okay. How can you join the training program in your site? Sayed Hussein, training program currently off. You need to wait to be opened again. You can stay connected joining the free Telegram. There's some new content coming, new way to look at everything, which will blow your mind as a trader, but will not blow your account for sure if you follow along. So stay tuned for that. At the moment, mentorship program is closed, so you have to wait. Once it is open, will be announced along with updated liquidity concept, whichever word you choose, strategy. There will be 3 parts of it. The first part is complete guidance with all the detailed strategy with rules in A to Z video format. The second part will be the tools that available for you to access on TradingView with full instruction. That means that in an indicator format. The third part will be automated system. So the same strategy that you will be learning in a video format, in a complete series of videos, A to Z, and then you will be able to access the strategy as an indicator format along with instruction. And also for those who love automated trading, it will be available in an automated system with proper risk management. So complete package will be available for you in the mentorship program. Once it is launched, the mentorship program will be opened. At the moment, you can just wait, but don't lose money. Keep learning. And if you're a complete beginner, I have a good news. There is a free A to Z trading course, even for the intermediate or advanced traders. You can get access to that in the description. So access that free A to Z trading course to learn and grow as a trader. Go to the description, get access to it, be efficient as a trader. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. There's a lot to take from here. Press that bell notification so that you're not missing any of the content I'm posting every single day. Okay, now here is gold, what you can see. So the liquidity candle that we are talking about is coming up with an updated version of everything. So probably you guys have learned that liquidity here only in this academy about the liquidity candle. Now, if you are not sure what is a liquidity candle, let's have a look quickly. So it's forming this is the 4-hour candle, is still not closed, but if this one is closing like that, it will be a liquidity candle here. Okay, and so not only this arrow is a liquidity candle, but also there will be criteria to access that liquidity candle, because it has certain criteria. Not only the arrow and the text will give you the blind signal to trade, but with the proper use of the strategy. So if we look at the British pound US dollar, you can see there is a liquidity candle formation. Very simple. Simplicity is the most advanced concept that every trader use, every professional trader use. Okay, professional traders doesn't use bunch of indicator, doesn't use 1 million data to analyze to take $1 trade, but the simple strategy to trade the market. What you need, data or the trade? Successful people, they normally analyze something from a very fundamental perspective. So if you analyze something in a very fundamental perspective, not in trading, but in your trading, not in fundamental analysis, but the fundamental question that you ask, Where are you trading? You may ask, right? I ask you, where are you trading, right? What will be the answer? Okay, I'm trading because I want to be a trader, pay the bills, quit the 9 to 5. Right? Then what do you need to do that? Be profitable as a trader. What do you need to be profitable as a trader? An entry, exit, risk management. That's it. You don't need a bunch of data. Now, data might sometimes paralyze you guys. No data will give you what's gonna happen in the future. And nothing will tell you when the smart money is trading in the market, because they are very, very cautious about their strategy. Now, going to the 1 minute chart on British Pound US dollar. See this 1 minute chart here? Where is the liquidity candle formation here? Right? As soon as in a 1 minute chart, this candle form, can you find any data in the world that will tell you that what happened here in a 1 minute chart? Because such a quick time, before even the data load, it's gone. That is why price action is the king and queen together. Okay, liquidity is the fuel of the market. And the market structure is the GPS that will take you where you want to go. Also, it's important that where you want to go, you have a clear goal and vision. Goal is very important. Do you have a written goal? Being a trader, it's very important that you have a goal to. It's very important, right? It's going together. So let's see what's happening. You see, this is the 1 hour chart on British Pound US dollar liquidity candle formation as well. So we can see back to back two candle closed. As there is a news coming in 30 minutes. Okay, now here is a long bearish engulfer followed by narrow arc candle. Long bearish engulfer followed by narrow arc candle. For an entry, we need that pullback, deeper pullback is needed. We are short on Gbpusd. We are running two trades currently, one on gold, one on British Pound US dollar, both of them running in profit. That's what I was telling you guys. This one is the gold British Pound US dollar trade. We entered the trade at what point that we have entered? What was the price? 1.28. Where is it? I can't see that. So if you look at the British Pound US dollar, we have entered here. 85. So 1.2885. The other one is on gold, which is also running in here at the moment. So with this massive bearish engulfer on the 1 hour on gold, like to see where it is heading. I think we might see that how many pip here? 160 pip. Pretty strong bounce, pretty strong drop here. Pretty important. So news coming in a couple of minutes. We see the break of support on gold. All market tell to us that trading during news and close your all trade before 1 hour of news. Is that the right coach? Raghavendra, all master tell to us that no trading during the news. Yes, absolutely. I also tell that there's no trading during the news. And close your trade 1 hour before news. No, that's not always right. Depending on each trade, you don't have to close all the trade before the news. Sometimes news helps to hit the profit target as well. It depends on, you need to know how to manage that trade, what time frame you have traded, and it's every trade is different, right? For example, if your trade most important here is that if you trade near the stop loss and there is a news coming, then definitely you should be closing the trade. Because if the trade near the stop loss but it didn't hit the stop loss and you are waiting, chances that definitely there will be a spread widening, and once it will hit the stop loss, it might take you 3%, 4% minus. Okay, if your risk is 1%, then it might take you 5% down because of the spread widening. So especially if you trade on a negative, you should be closing that during the news or before the news. Let's say you have a trade which is nearly to the profit target, or for example, you open here, your stop loss is here, your profit target is here, your profit target is at the middle. Okay, like the price is at the middle and there is a news coming. It depends. What I would do, I would move my stop loss a couple of pips above the entry, because when the price is here, very high chance that it's just one bounce will go and give me the full TP hit. It's one way, depending on. Now, if you open a trade on based on the 4 hour time frame with a 50 pip, 60 pip, 100 pip stop loss, then I don't bother, because sometimes the price don't move that far in one go. Also, what kind of news is this is very important. If you are trading on an FP, I would say that close all your trades. Depending on how you are managing the trade is very important. But during the news, no trade, because there is a spread widening and it might just wipe your account sometime. Good evening, sir. Thank you. Welcome. How much percentage risk per trade is best for intermediate trader, coach? Okay. Well, how much percentage risk needed is, it doesn't depend on the intermediate trader, but it depends on the intermediate account. So what's your account size, or your trading psychology, your risk appetite, what kind of trader you are, what's your risk reward, also important. As a rule of thumb, when the risk reward goes up, your risk should be down, because the winning rate will drop. So if you are trading with 3-to-1 reward to risk, also what kind of fund you are trading, do you have any rules in your account? There's a lot of factors. That's why mentorship needed. That's why the mentorship needed. And as I mentioned, we are preparing a complete package for all of you with our liquidity candle. So you can take a candle home to trade. This is what we will be doing. And that liquidity candle will be given to you with a tool, risk management, and what kind of trader you are. Are you a prop trader, or are you're trading your own fund? There is a lot of factors. When I'm trading my own fund, that means that when I'm opening trade in my, because I trade in own fund as well as the prop fund. So when I'm opening the trade in my own fund, then I take 1% risk per trade, even with a higher risk reward, because I know that at the end of the day, it's going to cover up. Even if I'm taking 5 to 1, if I'm sometime going down to 5% minus, that's no problem, because one trade will bring all back. When I'm trading on prop fund, I normally take 0.25% risk, sometime even 0.1% risk, depending on the account size. What risk you take? 10%? In the beginning it happens, right? Risk is very important. Risk management is the key. Risk management is the key. This is where you need to win as a trader. Okay, let me see what's happening with British pound US dollar. So guys and girls, make sure you join the free Telegram channel to stay connected with our upcoming liquidity candle. So there will be updated liquidity candle for you to take home. In the meantime, you can join the free Telegram channel. There will be giveaway at the end of this live session. So stay tuned for that. One candle will be giveaway at the end of this live session. Wanna take this one? So there will be, for those who will have the highest chat, highest contribution, might be a winner. We'll use the random. So you will use that live chat winner for the giveaway. So it's the Nightbot giveaway. Okay, so we will be using giveaway at the end of the session, so stay tuned, and we'll choose one lucky winner to get one candle today. You can take home. Thank you. Are you guys excited for that? Lucky winner will get a candle, a liquidity candle. I don't know where this might come from. Pretty weird. We're waiting for the entry. We have 15 minutes to go for the news to come up, and then we might find an entry. British pound US dollar for me is down potentially. Gold, where we see bearish, both of them in a downtrend. Gold is moving up for a pullback, which I was waiting for a break of structure here. So Do I think gold gonna reverse now? Well, okay guys, so I have a call to adventure coming up, just a matter of a minute. Okay, so it's pretty exciting price action. We can see the market is slowly moving up for a pullback. You guys smash the like button. Well, rejection from the support. We see the breakup structure on gold, which is needed. This is the previous resistance line here. So we can see news is coming in a couple of minutes. Thank you. This is the resistance line and breaking above. Look at even the 1 minute chart, pretty strong bounce. And if it is not news time, I would definitely look to sell, but at the moment you want to see that how far it is bouncing before breaking again. So take the Fibonacci, just cross the 38.2%. Okay, so 2375 is where there is a 38.61.8%. We saw breakup structure. Let's see the daily, intraday, and this is also an important resistance line here. Pretty okay. Now this rejection, and if you here, it almost came to this level. Looking at the 1 minute chart, okay, before the news, we can see a complete rejection. Let it form that structure. Once you will see that the market managed to break again in the major direction of the trend, we can look for selling. First, let it move a little further, and then you will be looking at that. Okay. 1 minute looking at, because it's a bit more easy to look at everything. We have 3 minutes to go for the news to come up. And in the meantime, traders, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so. The link below this video in the description. Also, join free Telegram channel, free Discord, also available in the link also in the description. In addition, there is a free trading course available for those who are complete beginner or intermediate or even advanced trader. Definitely will help you in your growth as a trader. So join that free. It's directly accessible. Free A to Z foundation course where you can find precise information about how to get started as a trader. Okay. And 1 minute chart on gold, there are two dodges. We see news coming. This might create that spike, wanting to see the spike, and then I think we might see long wick here and then drop. Let's see where it is. I don't want to say anything because I know that some might started to gamble. Just, court said it will drop, so let's sell just to see that it start to go up. So I would recommend to be patient. Patience is the key in trading, right? When you are patient, you can see when the market is showing its hand. Okay. Multiple liquidity candle formation, and the way it is forming, it might get a spike, which is possible. And then to drop like that. Let's see. Waiting for the data come out. That's what happened, as I mentioned, guys. Spike up and then rejection. Exactly what we discussed. That's where waiting for the settlement. What's happening? What kind of price action is has made? Let's see the 4-hour liquidity candle, 1 hour. So this 1 minute candle is almost it's pretty good, 100 pip candle. Short, right? What is the best strategy for $50 to start in Forex? There is no strategy for $50 to start in Forex. Good morning. Thank you. What about Eurusdjpy? Sell. Do you think gold is gonna reverse now? I don't think so. Good day, sir. Thank you. Gold, welcome. So what's moving average? What are you setting? So there are two moving averages that I'm using. One is 20 EMA. The other one is 10 EMA. Okay. Looks like price action forming. British pound US dollar has dropped significantly. We are running trade on GBP USD as well as in gold. And this is GBP USD, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, so liquidity candle formation on GBP USD. There will be giveaway at the end of this session. There will be one liquidity candle will be given away and for you to take home. So stay tuned for that. And also we are updating complete liquidity candle idea as a complete series of videos, including tools as well as the automated system will be available for you to get access to all of them in Forex Trading Wizard Academy very soon in the mentorship program. So stay tuned for that. So let me see here. We know that it's gonna draw, but looking for the entry is very important to see. 30 minutes. You guys ready for the liquidity candle? Smart candle. Liquidity candle is a smart candle, and that's what every trader need to be profitable. Okay, here gold. Let's see the 5-minute chart. From the market structure, there is a potential for downside possible on gold. Now, if it only breaks down, it is breaking below the support. Okay, here is a big head, left shoulder and right shoulder. So it's a pretty big head and shoulder formation here in that area. And okay, it has gone pretty upside, pretty big upside. And let me see how many pip here. We need a wide stop loss. So this 5 minutes candle is closing. I will be placing a short, not by market, by pending order, sell stop. I'll be explaining later this concept, and we'll be targeting 3 to 1. So sell stop will be at 2362.43, and there will be 90 pip stop loss. Very volatile market, we have to have a bigger stop loss. So if your account is small, not recommended to open, or I would highly recommend to open in a demo account. So stop loss at 2371.67. TP target at 2333.549. So I have placed the sell stop at 2362.19. So this is a second trade on gold. We are already running another trade. So 2 traders on gold currently running on. We are running British pound US dollar, also running in good profit. And by the way, this is liquidity candle. You can see on the 5 minutes back to back, 2 successful liquidity candle formation. At the end of this lesson, at the end of this live session, there is a giveaway. 1 liquidity candle will be given to you to take home. So make sure you stay tuned at the end of this live session. There will be hundreds of liquidity candle available. Will be very soon on the academy for everyone to take, with lesson as well as the tools, along with the full understanding of how to use it. Guys and girls, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, so you place the sell stop. So if the market breaks below, that means that we might see potential trend continuation. Until that, we will be waiting to see. It's a sell stop. Also, I'll be explaining later why I have opened that. sell stop on gold to see if it is breaking below and triggering the trade. Thank you. In the meantime, traders, yeah. If gold is breaking below, gold is, we are looking at the 1 minute chart to see, and if the market is breaking below, then we can look for so this is what we are waiting. That's why the stop loss is set here. So if it breaks below, chances for the price to continue to the downside is high. I think we might see that because this is a downtrending market structure. So I want to see complete break of support for entry. British pound US dollar keep pushing down. Lower time frame price action. This is 15 minutes on Gbp USD. Let's keep focus on gold to see. And British pound US dollar, same thing. We are running trade on Gbp USD, but I would like to see What's happening with the gold? Still didn't break below. British pound US dollar. Okay, breaking out. Weird sound. Okay, so why this music is repeating? Okay. Good day, coach. Welcome. So it's all right. Yeah, ready for the liquidity candle. Yep. So yeah, get ready for the liquidity candle. Will come up the giveaway at the end of this session. There will be one liquidity candle giveaway, and there will be update on the liquidity candle in 3 format. So there will be a complete lesson, series of lessons for you to learn and grasp the concept of liquidity, and then there will be the indicator available to use for you to use, and then there will be automated system will be available on the website, on the mentorship program. So stay tuned for that, coming up very soon for you to get access to all of them. Once the mentorship will be open, will be announced here. So make sure, guys and girls, you subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification, and stay tuned. Also, you can stay connected via the Discord and free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video in the description. Both of them. Thank you. All right. So here is British pound US dollar. This is the 1 hour. $20 EMA. Gold. The gold trade is on, so I want to hold it because if gold break below, I think we should see the downside potentially. So I want to keep that pending order on. I need another position to add. Very weird. Let's leave that on. And sell stop at gold, and speedy. There is a consolidation here, and wanting to see the market breaking from that consolidation before it gives anything. So here still it's going up for another pullback. Sometime I know that it's a bit of tedious, little bit of sideways. There's nothing we can do about it if that's the happen. British pound US dollar also moving up to the liquidity zone. Okay, now GBP USD, the way it has formed the price action is, let me see, the 30 minutes. Might now need more liquidity. Suddenly there is a breakout on GBP and GBP we have seen a massive downtrend, and then it's has got a rejection. While we see the gold, You see there's a we want to enter by market. Want to wait for the price to give us an entry. You see that when the market in a sideway, we have to stay sideway. Patience is key. That's where the real trader comes in play. When you are, when you know that trade is there, but you see with the news on British pound US dollar drop and then return back directly, U-turn. If you enter any trade here, you're gonna be stopped out. So the only way to be profitable, to understand when to enter, when not to, and being patient. Okay, so we are running trade on both on gold and Gbpusd from the past. So this is the live stream. As you know that we are waiting to find a suitable entry, and at the moment this is a support. If the market breaks below, I think that we should see that complete breakdown to certain level, and that's why we have placed that pending order. I'm still holding it. Okay, so the pending order is fully risk managed. So traders, if you haven't done the risk management, make sure you do that too. Let me see if we can move that pending order to the upside. I want to move the pending order here below this level, stop loss above this high. So I'm moving my pending order to, so it's gonna drop the stop loss. I'm moving my pending order to 2367, editing the pending order to 2367. So basically I will delete this one, I will place a new one. Sell stop at 23. We might run this trade even when I'm not on live, so make sure guys you do proper risk management. 2367.20, stop loss at 2372.822, profit target at, we need to readjust the profit target as well because it's gonna be much less now. The TP target is at 2350. 2350.003. So readjust the pending order. It's now much closer. So the new pending order at so there will be here 58 pip stop loss. So this one might get triggered very soon, and this is where sell stop at 2367.20, stop loss 2372.82, and TP target at 2350. Okay, so if the market breaking below, this is a very weird price action. What I say, 1 minute chart. But ultimately, if we see that breakdown, then we might see that trend in that direction. I strongly believe that, guys, you're enjoying the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel for more content every day that I'm posting. Some day are pretty um, slow like that. That's what, yesterday was a massive move with the news. Today we see that there's a little bit of low volatility and in some instrument it didn't trigger again. Okay, looks like that today the market might remain a little bit in a sideway. I don't want to keep that pending order on anymore. It's time to give away, so I close the pending order. We'll be waiting for further confirmation. Okay, now let me see. So we might see some change of trend or some kind of sideway movement. Let's see, wait for the market to fully evolve. Time to give away. So let me see the giveaway for the liquidity candle. Wanna do the keyword. Okay, so time to give away. Ready, guys? What do you wanna choose, number or keyword? Let me see what you guys are interested. Liquidity candle for everyone. Yes, there will be um, it's getting an updated. Will be launching on the mentorship very soon, so you can stay in the wait list. Will be given very soon. Okay, now let's go for a number. For the keyword, liquidity. Okay, not liquidity. Okay, probably I had to redo it. There is a little bit of testing. Okay, so today this is just a testing, and so we'll be beginning with the liquidity, and we'll be rolling it. So guys, I have never used this before, so there is some kind of I see that. Okay, let me do it in another way today. uh, how many of you are interested? Write down the liquidity, and let's see who is going to do that for today, and then we will be actively doing that. So we see that Nightbot making Varun. So buy liquidity. Okay, so for those who will be writing the liquidity, will be in the competition, and then we can find out who is going to win. Okay, so you need to write liquidity. For those who are interested, write liquidity. So that's the keyword. Awesome. Okay. Yep, you can write down. So we'll be bringing that up. So liquidity, and let's roll it. Gautar 0. Gautar 0 has won the liquidity candle for today. So congratulations, Gautar 0. Gautar 0 is the winner for today's liquidity candle. Gautar 0, you need to email us your so that we can send you back the liquidity candle. So you can congratulations, Gautar 0. So you can email or just visit the website, use the website contact us page, let us know. We'll be sending straight back to you today's liquidity candle. You can take it home. So once you are on the website, just scroll down, go to the contact us page, write your name, and send an email, write your username on the YouTube, and we will be sending it back to you. Go to 0. Congratulations. And every day we will give away, each day there will be one liquidity candle giveaway in this live session. So one liquidity candle means that you are a member of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Being part of the academy, having that liquidity candle. So liquidity candle is a tool that will help you to navigate in the market. One liquidity candle is enough for you to become a profitable trader, though it's not guaranteed because you need to learn to use it and you need to learn to do the risk management. So to become a smart trader, you need that liquidity candle, and that's the reason behind we have developed that liquidity candle. Once you have the liquidity candle, you can trade the market like a smart money trader. And within a week, there is coming up a full complete package of the liquidity candle with full series of lessons and videos with indicator to access in TradingView as well as on MT4, along with the full automated system to trade the liquidity candle. And it will be only available for the mentorship program, except the giveaway. Mentorship program currently closed, not taking any member at the moment. But once the liquidity candle launch, on the launch, you might find a huge opportunity to join. Tomorrow, we will be giving you a link in this live session to join the wait list, as once you launch that, it might blow out. So make sure that, guys and girls, stay tuned for that. With that said, thank you for joining the live session. We have closed that pending order. There's no trade today. We haven't taken any trade and in this live session, but we are running 2 trades. So one on British pound US dollar, running in good profit. The other one is in gold. We'll keep that running. So with that said, thank you for joining the live session. I'll see you again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy. See you tomorrow on the next one.